Hello guys, today in the lesson we will know remarkable points of the triangle, and it turns out the triangle has four remarkables, and the intersection point of bisectors, medians, heights, and midpoint of the perpendicular sides of the triangle. And the first is the bisector, and we all know that the bisector is equal to divided the angle S divide the angle of a triangle, and now we will know new properties and theorems. The first property about the bisector, and each point of the bisector of an unbroken angle is equidistant from the sides of the angle. And let's look at this angle. As we see, there is a bisector that divided this angle half. One, two, yes, and if we select any point on this bisector, then the select point will always be equidistant from each of the sides of our corners, and that is, these segments will be equal to each other. Yes, and consider the theorem, and in each triangles the bisectors intersect at one point. It doesn't matter which triangle, for absolutely any triangle. And let's take an equilateral triangle as equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle, and A, B, C, yes, and we will build bisectors, and one bisectors, two bisectors, three bisectors, yes, and the bisectors of the angle A divided AD, and in divided AD in half, and bisector of the angle B divided by BA, yes, and this point will be called O, and this is the intersecting point. Yes, the next one is the median, and median, the intersection point of the medians is called the center of gravity of the triangle, and divided each median in a ratio of 1 ratio of 2 to 1, and counting from the vertex. And for example, 1 minute. And for example, in the equilateral equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC is this triangle ABC is encrypted a circle of radius 7 centimeters, and this radius 7 centimeters, yes, and find the length of the median some omitted from the vertex, as this median and this radius, this median and this median, yes. This is radius is 7 centimeters, and this is the center of the triangle, yes, center of the triangle, and so according to the median theorem, this is the median ratio is 2 to 1, yes, and we know that one is this one equal to 7 centimeters, and this is 7 centimeters times 2, and this 7 times 2 14, yes. So it's 14, and this median is 7 plus 14 equal to 21 centimeters, yes. Proof. And the next is the points of intersection of the height of the triangle is called the center, and as we can see, 1 minute, okay. And heights is, as we can see, all heights intersect at one point, and this triangle, yes, one height, and no. This triangle, and one height and two heights and three heights, and all heights intersect at one point, and this point is, and this point is called the orthocenter, yes. And next is terms in the mid-perpendicular, and the intersection point of the mid-perpendiculars is the center of the circumference described near the triangle, and is located in triangles with acute arced angles outside the triangle, with an obtuse angle and one the hypotenuse of a right triangle, and let's profit and let's build an ABC triangle. Build ABC triangle is this is ABC triangle is ABC, and let's choose the middle AB. This is perpendicular, and this F, and from this we will build a perpendicular FO. This point is called O, and now we'll also build from the sun. It will be AO, yes, AO, and let's build a triangle AOB. This is triangle ABO, and note here OF is the height and median and bisectors. So this triangle is isosceles, and now let us build a triangle BOC. Yes, BOC. And it's also isosceles, and this median and bisectors and heights, and so AO equal to BO and equal to CO equal to R. Prove it. And now it's time to talk about assimilation of values. You students like the remarkable points of triangle. It has many bisectors, medians, and heights, but they always one common point, and it's like you are a lot of, but you also have one common goal. This is to become a good teacher, and therefore always go to the goal.